Hey everybody, a little weather update for you. We're recording this on Friday, the 26th of November, and my focus is going to be the first part of December, which I think could be interesting, going from a very mild start to the month to very quickly changing into more of a wintry pattern. We're going to kind of highlight some of the things we could be seeing coming. First of all, I wanted to show you where we are here deep into the month of November. It has been warm to the west and into the high plains, colder than normal in the Ohio Valley and the southeast. We do see some warmer weather coming here, though, as we head into the next week. We'll talk a little bit about that here in just a minute. But I want to kind of look ahead because the computer models this far out are not going to have a great handle on this, but the idea is we're seeing some consistency of some type of a storm system, some kind of a change in the pattern just after a few days into the month. So we'll go through these. This is the Canadian model. This is for the morning of Saturday, December the 4th, which would be just a week away, so a week from tomorrow morning. Shows a system developing near here with rain and or snow. This model would lean more towards rain, snow to the north, and again, this is in the morning of December the 4th. This is the same model now, but now that system has moved on, and now this would be Sunday night, a week from Sunday night. This would be along about the 5th and 6th of December. In this case, a second storm, it tracks south of here, and it would be more of a snow-making system closer to this area. So this model is hinting at maybe a rain system followed by some colder air, and then maybe a little bit of a snow system behind that. This is the European model. This is also for a week from Saturday morning, December the 4th. It's got the same idea, a storm nearby, but probably just missing this area with snow in parts of Ohio, West Virginia, up into Pennsylvania. And the European model develops this into a monster storm. This would be on the night of a week from Saturday into early Sunday, December the 5th, and a big-time snow and ice storm in the Northeast, but again, missing this area. But the idea is still there that we're probably looking at something along about a week from this weekend forming across this part of the country, and we'll iron out the details as we get closer. This is also the European model. If you look way up in the corner, you see the big storm is leaving. This would now be a week from Sunday night, or about December the 5th, but it does have a little weak system here with a little light snow as well. It definitely looks like more of a wintry pattern once we get through the first few days of the month. This is the GFS model. This is going to be on Saturday, again, a week from Saturday, the 4th of December, and it shows mostly a rain system here, but the colder air pushing in from the north. The bottom line is there's three models. They all see something nearby, whether it be some rain or some snow. We see something along about a week from this weekend, and that could be a pattern-changing system to where we would go from some mild weather to start the month to more of a winter-like pattern, at least for a while after that. And you can see that here because this is the temperature departures. This would be on the morning of Tuesday, December the 7th. So after we get this storm system to come through somewhere near here, temperatures could be a lot colder than normal about 1 week into the month of December. So some big changes could be on the way. I wanted to show you this also. This would be the total snowfall accumulation. This is based on a 10-to-1 ratio, which probably would be pretty legit for this system. This is the European model, and this is all the way out until the morning of Monday, December the 6th. It shows some snow here, but of course the big snow in the Northeast. This is the Canadian model, also through the morning of Monday, December the 6th. Little snow here, but ironically it has more to the south. And then temperature-wise, you can see what we're looking at too. We see a surge of warm air as we wrap up November and head into December. So you can see there what we are looking at this week. I mean, Saturday's going to be close to 50, turns a little cooler Sunday, Monday, and then we ramp things back up. And by the end of this week, which would be the first couple days of December, we're talking about temperatures hitting near 60 degrees. But notice on December the 3rd, we go from a high of 60 to the morning of December the 7th, a low of 12, at least according to this model. So you're talking about almost a 50-degree swing in temperatures in a few days. The point is this. We think we're going to end November and start December mild, maybe quite mild, but we're tracking some type of a storm system somewhere around the first weekend of the month of December, and we'll fine-tune the details whether it's rain, snow for us, but the bottom line is after that it looks like a push of some pretty cold air coming in here after we get through the first few days of the month. So just wanted to give you a little update. Enjoy the relatively mild weather we're going to have in the coming days, especially late in this upcoming week, because it does look like maybe more winter-like weather after we get a few days into December.